Have you ever wondered if your houseplants are keeping secrets from you? The Chinese Evergreen isn't just another leafy houseplant. It's a master of disguise, coming in patterns and colors you wouldn't expect. Today we're uncovering 17 stunning varieties that look so unique they'll make you question if they're even real. Silver Bay shows off silvery white centers with deep green edges, almost like each leaf is hand-painted. Its pale green stems make it one of the most elegant indoor plants, and it's famous for being one of NASA's top air purifying choices. Silver Queen lives up to its royal name with silver green, lance-shaped leaves that shimmer in the light. Whether it's placed in a bright corner or a dim hallway, this plant always manages to look effortlessly regal. Emerald Bay combines dark green borders with a soft silvery center, giving it a sleek modern look. It's tough too, thriving even in low-light rooms where most houseplants would struggle. Cutlass is slender and sharp, with long blade-like leaves streaked in green and white. This variety looks stunning on tabletops, like a piece of natural art that's always in season. Burmese Evergreen is perfect for small apartments and offices because it thrives in the darkest corners. This lush green plant doesn't just survive low light, it loves it. Silver King brings a cool silvery sheen to its dark green leaves, making it look like it's glowing in dim light. It's a hearty choice for plant lovers who want beauty without high maintenance. Maria Christina might remind you of Silver Queen, but its smaller, denser leaves and cold tolerance makes it stand out. It's proof that even subtle differences can make a huge impact in your indoor jungle. First Diamond features thick white and green variegation that resembles Dieffenbachia. Its bold contrast make it a striking statement plant, but only if you keep its watering in check. Maria has deep green leaves patterned with lighter green streaks, giving it a moody, tropical vibe. Slow growing and easy to care for, it's a perfect pick for busy plant owners. BJ Freeman stands out with large leaves covered in white, green, and gray patterns. This variety thrives in low light, and its dramatic leaves make any room look like a designer showroom. Brilliant lives up to its name with cream-colored midribs and gray splotches on deep green leaves. This plant doesn't just brighten a space, it makes it feel alive. Corey is a showstopper with feathery silver-green stripes running through each green leaf. Its creamy stems give it a soft, airy look that's rare in houseplants. Abidjan's broad leaves look like natural camouflage, with gray-green blotches that help it blend into any corner. It's a tough, shade-loving plant that thrives on neglect. Amelia boasts dark green and silver gray variegated foliage, making it a living piece of art. Place it in a dim corner and it will quietly transform the space with its beauty. Tigress earns its name with bold stripes of white-green on olive leaves, creating a striking jungle aesthetic. It's the perfect plant to pair with brighter varieties for a layered look. Pictum Tricolor is almost unreal, with camouflage pattern leaves that make it look like it belongs in the wild. This variety is rare, making it a must-have for collectors who crave the extraordinary. Malay Beauty lives up to its name with dark green leaves splashed with bright silver. If you want a plant that looks bold and exotic without being high maintenance, this one's for you. These Chinese evergreen varieties aren't just plants, they're living art pieces that can transform even the dullest spaces into lush sanctuaries. If you love discovering these stunning varieties, hit that like button and subscribe. More plant secrets are waiting to be revealed, and you won't want to miss what's coming next.